In this video, we will discuss Montreal Cognitive Assessment. Welcome to our channel, Internal Medicine Made Easy, the online learning platform that provides medical education to healthcare professionals and students to improve their clinical skill and help them in their studies, courses, careers, and research. Montreal Cognitive Assessment is a widely used screening assessment for detecting cognitive impairment. It was created in 1996 in Montreal, Quebec, and was validated in the setting of mild cognitive impairment and has subsequently been adopted in numerous other settings clinically and also in research studies. It is a one-page 30-point test administered in approximately 10 minutes. Montreal Cognitive Assessment assesses several cognitive domains. The short-term memory recall task involves 2 learning trials of 5 nouns and delayed recall after approximately 5 minutes. Visuospatial abilities are assessed using a clock drawing task and a 3-dimensional cube copy. Multiple aspects of executive functions are assessed using an alternation task adapted from trail-making B task, a phonemic fluency task, and a 2-item verbal abstraction task. Concentration and working memory are evaluated using a sustained attention task, a serial subtraction task, and digits forward and backward. Language is assessed using a 3-item confrontation naming task with low familiarity animals like lion, camel, rhinoceros, repetition of 2 syntactically complex sentences, and the aforementioned fluency task. Abstract reasoning is assessed using a describe-the-similarity task. Finally, orientation to time and place is evaluated by asking the subject for the date and the city in which the test is occurring. Because this assessment is English specific, linguistic and cultural translations are made in order to adapt the test in other countries. Multiple cultural and linguistic variables may affect the norms of this assessment across different countries and languages. Several cutoff scores have been suggested across different languages to compensate for education level of the population, and several modifications were also necessary to accommodate certain linguistic and cultural differences across different languages or countries. However, not all versions have been validated. Scoring. Scores range between 0 and 30. A score of 26 or over is considered to be normal. In a clinical study, people without cognitive impairment scored an average of 27.4. People with mild cognitive impairment scored an average of 22.1. And people with Alzheimer's disease scored an average of 16.2.